out of the way. Next thing we're going to be doing is to come in here and remove these two socket connections. Then we have our water gate out of the machine. So what you're looking at in it is the initial filter before the next filter, which is the inner filter. So now I've been able to use a plier to wriggle this out of the way. So this is the initial filter. As you can see, still looks clean, but looking closely inside, you can see that the inside of this is very dirty. Trying to get a very good view.